How to upload landscape videos on Instagram Reels. First thing first, you're going to have to tap on Instagram. And once you launch your application, make sure that you're logged into your account. The next step is to head over to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you land on your profile page, you will see the plus icon at the bottom top right corner. So just tap on the plus icon. From here, select Reels. Now from here, just select a landscape video. And if you want, you could also edit the video here. So go ahead and tap on the edit video option. And you can trim the video here and make it shorter. So long videos are often not preferred on Reels. So you can just shorten them by dragging it right here. So as you can see here, if you drag the video by selecting it, you can decrease the size of the video. So here, let me just make it a bit short, something around 15 seconds. And then once you've done that, you could also crop the video, click on crop, and you can crop it accordingly. Now, I suggest if you want a full screen, you could just go ahead and turn it like this, sideways 90 degrees. And once you've done that, you could just zoom in and fit this right here like so. And once that is done, you will get a full screen landscape video on your phone vertically. Tap on done. And once that is done, you can just tap on next and then simply share the video. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.